Abirge korosi gwetani CHIBILIONI kianda chinu gutebere wetera ase Oboremi aso mwaka na gukinya uchumi ase ensemo eyo nonyana ase ensengima aso bwagare korega no mugabara we county ya Siaya James Orengo nigaerere ubuyebwo gokora Oboremi ase county eyo era chegusira abaremi bwe Oboremi bwe chingencho chonsi n'abaremi boigo abo batari naboigo abaremi batari gutigara magega.
Agriculture is a backbone of our economy, not just in Siaya, but in the entire republic. Yes. In fact, in Siaya, we are struggling to have a transformation in agriculture because for many years, now, we are still largely agriculture essential is for subsistence. We are working hard to change this situation, and I think with the inauguration of Sirio, this is a show or an evidence that we are changing to an agricultural industrial county. There are many sugar mills coming, which are in the offing. We in our current budget, subsequent budget, the next financial year, we hope you are going to work very hard to start the modern cotton industry. So we will continue to work hard because agriculture is a pillar. We have established community-driven committees across all the 30 wards. We've got 30 circles, as we've been told, and 13, for purposes of today, 13 farmer-producer organizations who have been onboarded to strengthen farmer institutions and to improve market coordination. Today, we are going to have a presentation of more than 25 million shillings to the groups who are here. Some already have that money in their bank accounts. We have established over 120 farmer field school demonstration sites, farmers with practical knowledge in climate smart agriculture and modern production technologies. I'm encouraged by the agripreneurs in where 100 young people have been engaged in mile extension service, not only creating jobs for the youth, but also modernizing agriculture extension